Stop. Before you continue watching this video, I want to ask you a simple question. Have you ever experienced this? You understand English, you know grammar, you know many English words, but when it's time to speak, suddenly your mind becomes blank. You freeze, you become nervous, and you don't know what to say. If this sounds familiar, then this video could completely change your English journey. Because today, I'm going to show you how to train your brain to think directly in English without translating. And trust me, if you stay until the end, I'll share one powerful daily exercise that can dramatically improve your English speaking in just 30 days. So don't skip any part of this video. Let's begin.
Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Speak English Slowly. I'm your host, and today we're going to learn one of the most important secrets of English fluency, thinking in English. Many learners say, I understand English, but I can't speak. I know many words, but I forget them while speaking. I always translate in my head. If you have ever said these sentences, don't worry. You are not alone. Millions of English learners around the world face exactly the same problem. But the good news is that you can change this habit. And today, I'll show you exactly how. A few years ago, one of my students came to me and said, Teacher, I understand English, but I cannot speak. Maybe you've said the same thing. For months, he studied grammar. He memorized vocabulary. He watched English videos every day, but still he couldn't speak fluently. Then he changed only one thing. He stopped translating. He started thinking in English. After a few weeks, his confidence completely changed. Today, he speaks English comfortably in conversations, and you can do exactly the same. Before we continue, write in the comments. Do you translate in your head before speaking English? Type yes or no. Now let's move to the first powerful technique. Look around your room right now. What can you see? A chair, a table, a fan, a mobile phone, a window. Start naming everything in English. Don't translate. Simply say, this is a chair. The chair is brown. The chair is next to the table. Practice this exercise for 5 minutes every day. It may sound simple, but it is extremely powerful because your brain starts connecting objects directly with English words. And that's exactly how native speakers think. Yes, talking to yourself. It may sound strange, but it works. For example, when you wake up in the morning, say, I am getting out of bed. I am brushing my teeth. I am making breakfast. I am going to work. Describe your daily activities in English. The more you do this, the more natural English will become. Remember, speaking is a skill, and skills improve with practice. Many learners try to speak complicated English. This is a big mistake. Start with simple sentences. For example, I am tired. I am hungry. I like coffee. It is raining. Simple English builds confidence, and confidence builds fluency. Never underestimate simple English. Even native speakers use simple sentences every day. When you are walking, think in English. When you are cooking, think in English. When you are shopping, think in English. Ask yourself questions like, what should I buy? What am I doing now? Where am I going? These small moments create powerful learning opportunities, and slowly, English becomes part of your daily life. I want you to try this challenge every day. Minute 1 to 2. Name objects around you. Minute 3 to 4. Describe your actions. Minute 5 to 6. Talk about your day. Minute 7 to 8. Describe your future plans. Minute 9 to 10. Speak freely without stopping. Do this challenge every day for 1 month. You will notice a huge difference. Mistake number 1, translating every sentence. Mistake number 2, waiting for perfect grammar. Mistake number 3, being afraid of mistakes. Remember, mistakes are part of learning. Don't fear them, learn from them. Remember, fluency is not built in one day. It is built every single day. The more you think in English, the easier speaking becomes. Start small, stay consistent, believe in yourself, and never stop practicing. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.